And I enjoy making the floral arrangements, and I like that Miss Richards gives us the opportunity to put our own spin on the floral arrangements and our own ideas into it.
With these classes as a part of FFA, and FFA is an intercurricular activity. And the FFA motto is learning to do, doing to learn, earning to live, living to serve. Well, that doing to learn helps them reiterate what they're taught in the lecture parts. So it's cementing it. The more you do something, the more you'll learn it.
I love that Richards is very hands-on with everything, and we get to make very, very beautiful arrangements every month. Floral design is super fun. It's extremely hands-on. You get to learn the names of the different flowers and how to care for them properly.
I think it's a good class. It's a fun class to have. It definitely is. And Richards is very hands-on with us. So we get to do a lot of the arrangements ourselves, and the best way to learn how to do something is doing it yourself.
The level 1 is making sure that they can manipulate. They can do the structure of a symmetrical triangle. They can do a boutonniere that's traditional. The level 2 is another hands-on certification, and that teaches them for asymmetrical. It's not the simplistic way of learning something, as well as the traditional corsages that go on the shoulders, so like Mother of the Bride. It's making sure they know the basics, the rudimentary skills that they can apply later on.
I know how to work and communicate with others and how to formulate my ideas and turn them into something that I can take an action with.
It doesn't matter that they're flowers. Some people, they want to be in cosmetology. We have students that are like that. We have people who want to be welders. We have people who want to own a business. Whenever we're doing these arrangements, we have to make a profit at some point because it helps pay for their supplies and it helps pay for other things. So whenever you're dealing with that, you have to keep that in mind, is that you can just translate this. Instead of flowers, you're buying your eggs, you're buying your milk for your restaurant, or you're buying your scissors, you're buying your straighteners and everything for your salon and stuff. So this can be transferred over. With programs like this, it offers them, before they're even out of high school, hands-on opportunity, hands-on learning. They have certifications they can get that already prepare them, so they're good to go.
I've learned how to work well with others. That's a really big thing, is working well with other people and learning how to give positive feedback and criticism to help them.
You have a functional human that's going to be coming out, is what's going to happen, into where they actually are better prepared. They're not going to be behind in life.